Hey everybody, so I'm just gonna get right into it. So this is a unit from HairViVi.com. I'll go ahead and put a link down below to the wig in case any of you guys want to buy it. I'll also put a discount code just in case y'all want the hookup. So I put the unit on my head. I already washed it and it came pre-bleached knots and pre-plucked already, but I plucked it a little bit more as well. As you can see, I just put some got to be glue right in the front and then I'm just gonna clip it. I was going for more of a Marilyn Monroe bang, like a hang bang. I don't know what it's called, but I'm gonna call it hang bang. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and curl all around the unit. I was going for more of a loose curl look, so I'm just gonna go ahead and comb out some of the curls with my fingers. Then I'm gonna take these clips out so you guys can see the kind of bang that I was talking about. I just kind of wanted it to fall in front of my face. And as far as my baby hairs, this is just how I like to do it. Do it how y'all like to do it, please. But this is just how I like to do it. And I just kind of slid it down on the front and on the side, and that's just what kind of looked that like. But this is pretty much it, y'all. I like the unit. It's really nice. Like I said, the link is down below, and here are some photos. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all think.